Hey guys, it's ThatGhostHacker and I'm back with another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Mixnet for your entire system on Kali Linux. This is going to be routing all of your traffic through Mixnet, and yeah, we're going to get into what Mixnet is if you don't already know. So yeah, please leave a like if you like me. If you don't like me, still leave a like. I love you. Yeah, let's get straight into this video. Mixnet is a decentralized, anonymous peer-to-peer network. It's an overlay network just like TOR. TOR has 3 hops, but Mixnet has 5. Now, how Mixnet works is that when you connect to Mixnet, it covers your traffic as you're going to the entry node. So you have the entry node, you have the exit gateway, and in between them, it mixes your traffic. Now, it delays the time of the mixing of these traffics. It mixes your traffic with 3 mixed nodes, and even while it's doing this, it's actually hiding the traffic while hiding the traffic. I don't know how to explain it in another way. It's covering the traffic that's covering the traffic. So it's hiding the traffic that's already hiding traffic. So, and then it goes to the exit gateway and through the internet, and this completely hides all of your traffic and anonymizes absolutely everything to the point where not even a attacker that has global surveillance that can monitor internet globally can see any packets and their sizes, and is literally the best way to put it is that Mixnet is the best way, the best anonymity decentralized network I've ever come across that's ever been made. This is better than TOR. This is better than TOR. Unlike with TOR, where the anonymity of itself relies mainly on having all users look identical and the same. Even when we all look the same, an attacker as dangerous as the Interpol, they could still see when you've connected to TOR. Okay, yes, your data is encrypted, but they know that this person or someone connected to TOR at this time. And they can see the packets, and they can see the sizes, the metadata. All of this is hidden with Mixnet. Actually, in fact, it's randomized. They don't even know what to look for because they don't even know what happened at what time because it's delayed. They don't know what packet size it is because it's all randomized. Over on my Linux now, you can see that we have nim.com opened up. This is the NimVPN's official website. Decentralized, open source. And yeah, this is a really good project. I love it because it implements Mixnet, which is an overlay network, even better than TOR. So yeah, so it's pretty easy to download. You just gotta just purchase a plan. It's not free. Unfortunately, you do have to pay for this, which I have already, but it's not that much, so you could get like a 1-month plan, and you know what I'm saying, purchase it, and yeah, so let's just click on this bad boy. You get an anonymous identity too, so you don't have to enter any email or password, you just purchase it, and once you purchase it, you basically receive a crypto seed key, the 24-word seed key, which you gotta store safely, because if you lose that, then you're cooked and you can't log in. So yeah, you have a bunch of payment options there, the cryptocurrency and stuff like that. But yeah, once you've downloaded the NimVPN, you will see here that I'm actually connected. So we're connected to the fast mode, not the Mixnet. So this IP address is not mine. This is actually the Mixnet's IP address, well, the DVPN's IP address. But yeah, you can see in the settings here, you want to enable auto start, please, if you want it to start, or at least pop up when you start your machine up. And have kill switch enabled, please, because if the VPN disconnects and your IP is revealed, you're cooked. But here you have the anonymous mode, which is the actual Mixnet. So you just click on that, and it will route all of your traffic, all of your Kali Linux traffic, your entire system through Mixnet. It's that easy. But just bear in mind that this goes through 5 hops. This is 2 more hops more than TOR, so speed is definitely not going to be the best It's gonna be terrible. Trust me, it is horrible. But even when you mix it with Tor, trust me, it's gonna kill you. But yeah, you can see that I am connected to the Mixnet right now, and the IP address is in Greece, working perfectly. But yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys what the information is gonna pop up here when we check our IP address on a website like browserleaks.com. I'm just gonna say that your entire system is gonna go through Mixnet, but just know that the sacrifice of speed that you get, the speed that you're gonna have to sacrifice. Trust me, if you can't handle Tor, you definitely can't handle Mixnet. I can tell you that for a fact, because Mixnet is slower than Tor, and yeah. I mean, just trying to get to one website is a pain in the butt. So just bear that in mind. Yeah, it's just taking long to load here. Finally. Okay. Come on now, it should be up. There you go. You can see that it says Greece and the information it shows right there. So you can see that it's running. Mixnet is working fine. And now I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix Mixnet with Tor. I'm going to show you guys how to mix the Mixnet with Tor. And so yeah, let's get started with that. So just open up your VirtualBox and install Tails OS ISO. If you haven't already, just go on the website and download the ISO and install this bad boy. And yeah, I've actually tried doing this with Hudix. It doesn't work. I've tried downloading Catalytics in there so you can see and routing all of my Catalytics traffic through Tor, thinking it still doesn't work. But yeah, but Tails does work though. So yeah, this does work. It also adds an extra layer of security, because if you was to get your system hacked, they're going to get stuck within the virtual machine unless they know how to escape it. But yeah, there was a recent or not too long vulnerability exploit within VirtualBox. Oracle patched it already, so yeah. Just whatever one you use it, just make sure it actually works with Tails. But yeah, just load up Tails here. It shouldn't be too long. See here. Load in this bad boy. And yeah, just click. There you go. Everything is good. One thing about this as well, Tails is going to take really long to connect to the Tor network. I think it's due to Mixnet. Yeah, so just bear that in mind. Also, it's going to take a long time to connect to Tor. But you can see here, just click connect to Tor automatically and configure a Tor bridge. I'm going to use the default bridge. Yeah. But yeah, guys, it's going to take a long, so I'm going to come back to you guys back. I'm going to come back when this is finished. Bam! You see that it's connected to the Tor network, just to show you guys that my Mixnet is still routing all of my traffic in Catalytics through Mixnet. You can see here that it's still routed, it's still connected. Bam, bam. So yeah, this is literally Mixnet over Tor. The first ever YouTube video to show you how to do Mixnet over Tor. Yeah. So we could just start the Tor browser, and I'm going to show you guys that it actually works. You're connected to the internet. Again, guys, I'm going to warn you guys for the last time. Mixnet has 5 hops, or does 5 hops. Tor does 3. 6, 7, 8. You're going through 8 hops, guys. 8 hops to get to one destination. So your speed is going to be absolutely dreadful. So just bear that in mind, guys, okay? Hopefully, I pray that we can actually get to one website. So check this at browserleaks.com. It is working a bit here, though. It is working. It says configured to use Tor, so it looks like it's working, but I think it's gonna be really slow. It's just a bit glitchy, or it's just very slow, man. Yeah, it's very, very slow. But it's like, it's added on privacy and security, so if you rather anonymity over speed, then this is the right thing for you. This is best option for you. Yeah, guys, I don't think we're going to get to that website. I don't think we're going to get to this website. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get to that. I really want to show you guys that it at least goes to the website, though, so you guys can see that it does work. You can't do Mixnet over Tor. It does work. Let's come on. Yeah, guys. But yeah, I mean, it worked with one of the websites, checking the Tor network. You can see that it did check the Tor network. So there you go. Look, it's kind of working. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. That's how to route all of your traffic on Kali Linux through Mixnet, and also how to do Mixnet over Tor. Yeah, but guys, if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It's been ThatGhostHacker, and I'll be back with more videos.